Are you looking for the steps, okay, how to check your status in DV 2026? Okay, so this video is for you, don't worry. So the first thing what you have to know is the right website, okay, the official website of the US government. So the official website is dvprogram.state.gov, okay. So this is the official website. You can open in any browser, okay, in Mozilla, in Google Chrome, or in Opera Mini. So in any one you can check, okay, the status. So once you get the official website, the second step is directly come to the browser and you will see such kind of window, okay, by searching with dvprogram.state.gov, okay. So once you insert that on your searching menu and you click on that, and you see this on the Windows, either in your mobile or in a computer desktop, okay. So once you see that, and the third step is checking the confirmation, okay. So click on the link here, check the status. So come in here, click on check status, okay. Second step is continue, so you can click on continue. All right, so here you have to fulfill the three important tips what you have to know in here. The first one is confirmation number. The second one is your family name, your grandfather or your last family name. And the last one, the third one is year of birth. So you can only insert the year, okay, not the month, not the date, okay. Simply insert 1999, okay. So this is the exact digit here. So the support one is this one, okay. This is the authentication. So I will take to my own page, and this one is my okay, DV submission confirmation letter. So on the submission confirmation letter you will find the confirmation number, okay. So you can go there and copy, okay, copy the confirmation number, okay. Let me copy this one and then back to the browser. All right, then I will insert in here, copy and paste. All right, so this one is the first step. The second step is family name, last family name. My last family name is Kebede, so you can write in capital letter. The third step is inserting your year of birth, okay. For me, I was born in 1992. All right, so the last and the fourth step is inserting a copy, or rewriting this authentication number, okay. So the authentication number is like this one. This is E, then 5, then 6, then 9, okay. C 5 6 9. All right, so I have done it, okay. Confirmation number, last family name, year of birth, and then authentication number, okay. This is an authentication voucher, so it's a picture. I have rewrite it on the box here. Then the last step is click on submit, okay. During this submission time you will face with two options. The first option is congratulations, you are selected, and the second option is you are not selected. So you are not selected means DV 2026 is not for you. You can, okay, you can try DV 2027, which is, it gives you an instruction, go back and fill again what the US state government, the department, DV application, okay, needs from you. It may be photo, it may be like your information. So based on that you can go back and fulfill the prerequisites what they need from you, and then fill again, and then try your second option, okay, your second opportunity. I will click and submit, and you will see the result together. Submit. What if? Yeah. So based on the information provided, the entry has not been selected for further processing for the electronic diversity visa program at this time. Congratulations those who win, and congratulations those who has not been selected. Okay, you have not been selected means you can go back and try again DV 2027. If you selected, congratulations, you can proceed the next step very wisely. And so this is all about how we can check our confirmation, our condition. Okay, our condition one is we fill visa lottery or DV lottery. So this is all about what I have for you. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.